The power of seasonal alignment. Throughout history, humans have lived in harmony with the changing seasons, understanding the ebb and flow of nature's cycles. This natural rhythm can guide us not only in how we grow food and sustain ourselves, but also in how we care for our health and well-being. While this may seem like an ancient practice, it is entirely practical and applicable to modern life. Many people today feel disconnected from nature, but aligning with the seasons through herbal practices offers a simple yet powerful way to reconnect. You don't need to follow a mystical path or hold deep spiritual beliefs or be a woods witch to benefit from observing the seasons. By paying attention to how our bodies respond to each time of year and adjusting our herbal practices accordingly, we can support our health and vitality year-round. Please note, this video is for education's purposes only. It is not designed to diagnose, treat, or cure any illness, ailment, or disease. Spring, awakening and renewal. As the earth awakens from the cold grasp of winter, so do our bodies. Spring is a season of renewal, cleansing, and fresh starts. It's the perfect time to shake off the lethargy of winter and embrace new beginnings. In the same way that nature bursts into life, our bodies naturally crave detoxification and rejuvenation during this time. Herbs for spring: dandelion, Taraxacum officinale. Often seen as a pesky weed, dandelion is actually a powerful detoxifying herb. It supports liver function and helps the body eliminate toxins, making it an ideal choice for a spring cleanse. Nettle, Urtica dioica. Nettle is a nutrient powerhouse rich in vitamins and minerals, particularly iron. It helps restore vitality and is often used to relieve allergies that surface in the springtime. Chickweed, Stellaria media. Chickweed is another cleansing herb that works gently on the system. Its cooling, anti-inflammatory properties make it useful for soothing irritated tissues, often helping with skin conditions that arise in the spring. During the spring, many herbalists recommend incorporating cleansing teas or tonics to aid in the body's natural detox processes. This can be as simple as brewing a dandelion and nettle tea each morning to help boost energy and clear out any residual stagnation from the winter months. Summer, growth and vitality. Summer represents a time of growth, expansion, and energy. The long days and warm weather encourage us to be more active, vibrant, and social. This is the time to focus on herbs that support vitality, cooling the body, and protecting the skin from the sun's harsh rays. Herbs for summer: St. John's wort, Hypericum perforatum. Known for its mood-boosting properties, St. John's wort is often harvested in the summer. It also has mild sun-protective qualities when used externally, though it should be used with caution as it can increase sensitivity to sunlight. Lemon balm, Melissa officinalis. A calming yet uplifting herb, lemon balm is excellent for those long summer days when you need to balance your energy. It's cooling and helps ease anxiety or restlessness, making it a great herbal ally during the busy summer months. Peppermint, Mentha piperita. One of the best herbs for cooling the body, peppermint is perfect for hot summer days. It can be used in teas, tinctures, or even in a refreshing facial mist to help cool down. In summer, focus on herbal preparations that support hydration and energy, such as herbal iced teas or infusions that keep you cool and grounded. Many people also use herbs to support digestion, which can be thrown off by the heat and an increase in social gatherings. Autumn, harvest and preparation. Autumn is a time of harvest, not only in the fields, but also in our bodies. It's a time to gather and prepare for the colder months ahead, ensuring that we are ready to face the winter season with strength and resilience. This is the season to focus on herbs that build immunity, support digestion, and ground your energy. Herbs for autumn: elderberry, Sambucus nigra. Elderberries are famous for their immune-boosting properties, making them an ideal autumn herb. Many people prepare elderberry syrup in the fall to ward off colds and flu during the winter months. Echinacea purpura. Another powerful immune-supporting herb, Echinacea helps to bolster the body's natural defenses. It's often used as a preventive measure against seasonal illnesses, and can also reduce the severity of colds and flu. Astragalus, Astragalus membranaceus. Astragalus is an adaptogen that helps the body adapt to stress and supports the immune system. It's perfect for preparing the body for the colder months when our immune systems are more vulnerable. Autumn is a great time to start making herbal preparations such as tinctures, syrups, and fire ciders. These herbal remedies will help keep your immune system strong through the winter, while connecting you to the cycle of the harvest. Winter. Rest and reflection. Winter represents the time of rest, reflection, and nourishment. Just as the earth slows down, so too should our bodies. This is the season to focus on warming, restorative herbs that help us stay grounded and nourished. Winter is also a time for introspection, making it a great season to embrace meditative herbal rituals that help calm the mind and support sleep. Herbs for winter. Chamomile, Matricaria chamomilla. A soothing and relaxing herb, chamomile is perfect for winter evenings. Its mild sedative properties help with sleep and relaxation, which are often needed during the darker, quieter months of winter. Cinnamon, Cinnamomum verum. Cinnamon is a warming herb that stimulates circulation and helps keep the body warm in the cold months. It can be added to teas, tinctures, or even used in culinary recipes for an added immune boost. Ginger, Zingiber officinale. Known for its warming, digestive supporting properties, ginger is a winter favorite. It aids in digestion and circulation while providing warmth from the inside out. During winter, herbal preparations that focus on warmth and comfort are essential. Teas made with chamomile and cinnamon can help promote restful sleep, while ginger tea can provide warmth and support digestion, particularly after heavy winter meals. Practical steps to align with the seasons. Aligning with the seasons through herbal practices doesn't require a drastic lifestyle change. It's about tuning into what your body naturally needs at different times of the year. Practical steps to incorporate seasonal alignment include observing nature's cycles. Pay attention to how the seasons affect the plants around you. This can help guide your choice of herbs and preparations. Making seasonal preparations. Create herbal teas, tinctures, or even meals that incorporate seasonal herbs to support your body through the changing weather. Embracing simple rituals. Whether it's a morning tea ritual in spring or a calming evening tea in winter, small acts of mindfulness help you connect with nature's rhythms without needing to dive into complex rituals or beliefs. By embracing these practices, you can deepen your connection with nature in a practical, accessible way. Herbs offer a tangible connection to the earth's cycles, supporting your health and vitality while allowing you to feel more in tune with the world around you.